Hello everyone, at Convergence, I am at Sahasra booth. So I'll be interacting with Mr. Ankur Dwivedi. So very warm welcome, sir. So आप कुछ बताएंगे सर कि मतलब what Sahasra is exactly do, मतलब हमारे viewers को.
Yes, we Sahasra are 25-year-old company. Basically, we are having electronic manufacturing experience of 25 years. From 2016 onwards, we have expanded ourselves in the IT hardware and memory products.
Yes.
And then we are coming up with the semicon division also. We have started our semiconductor packaging program.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I mean, what people can exactly expect from Sahasra in the year 2026? The kind of expansion plans you have.
Definitely, earlier we were having export business more, like around 90% export and 10% was domestic only, as we are located inside the SEZ zone. But now, when Make in India and government supporting us as a manufacturer to promote the Made in India products, so we are looking forward for the Indian business also, and we have already expanded ourselves from Noida to Bhiwadi too. We have expanded and we have established our factories for the semiconductor packaging as well as in EMS also.
Okay.
So both factories are now up, and we have started our manufacturing there, and we are going to cater domestic market very in a very huge way, so that we can be available with 50% export, 50% domestic market.
Okay. And what are you expecting here out of to be the part of the Convergence?
Here we are looking forward for the partnerships in terms of technology transfer, in terms of obviously sale. Our all as a organization, we always looking forward for the sale and market presence in all over world. Whatever we can expand by ourselves or through the partners, and then definitely support from the government, which is already there, and including ESC and EI who are organizing this exhibition.
And what are kind of a marketing plan that you have? You said like you have been expanding.
We are actually having marketing plans in terms of physical presence also, in terms of soft presence also. We are continuously participating in the exhibitions which are conducting by the LCINA, ESC, EI, here in India also, southern region, northern regions, and even outside the India also, like Germany, Dubai.
You said you'll be looking after for the partners. So
Yes.
do you have any specific strategic plan to expand your partners?
As I told you that we are looking forward for the partner, not only just trading entities. We are looking forward for the partners who can work with us for both things like technology, expansion, investment, and obviously sale.
Okay.
So it can be a partnership business, not just only sale and trade, purchase and sale.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir, for sharing your thoughts with IPS.
Thank you.
Hello,